Today is the anniversary of something I really don't think we should be celebrating. It's 7 years since the Tories introduced the cap on benefits for families with more than 2 children. It's shocking that here in Wales, over a third of our children are growing up in poverty. And according to the Trussell Trust, 43% of all the food parcels they give out in Wales go to families with 3 or more children, showing directly how damaging this policy is. Scrapping the cap would alleviate poverty for over 1 million children, and yet neither the Tories nor the Labour Party will commit to doing that. In Plaid Cymru, we firmly believe that we should scrap the cap, and if elected, I will be campaigning to get rid of this cruel policy, because I believe that every child deserves an equal start in life and deserves every chance to get a brighter future.